Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today is Tag Tuesday and I'm going to be working with my vintage paper lace journaling cards. I thought that these were the perfect thing to try and use to make some larger tags to put into one of my journals. So I have here my Alice's Garden journal, and this is a journal that I sort of have just been working on and off when I get the time, and I sort of figured that Tag Tuesday was the perfect opportunity to add some things to this journal. So I'm just going to set that aside for now. And what I've got here is the vintage paper lace journaling cards, but I've also got some pieces from the Alice's Garden kit. Now these are misprints, so this page my printer had a little bit of a moment and didn't print so well on that side, so I've got this side that is perfectly fine. So I thought that I might use the white rabbit somehow in one of these tags. And then the same things happened with this piece of paper. It didn't, the journal page didn't print right on the other side, so I thought that I might try and utilize that as well. And then I've also got one of the small circle pieces of ephemera from the kit, and I'm going to incorporate that in somehow. I thought that it might be cool if I made a bit of a slider that went up and down on this particular one, but not 100% sure where this is going to go just yet. But I do have a couple of ideas, so grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along, and I'll see how I go. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me for Tag Tuesday, as I made these tags to go in my Alice's Garden journal. I've used the vintage paper lace journal cards and pieces of the Alice's Garden journal kit. You might like to check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find all of these kits and lots of other kits for your crafting projects. If you haven't already seen the playlist for my Alice's Garden journal, you might also like to go over to my channel and check that out. Please also come and join my Facebook group. We have lots of fun and I give away a stack of freebies every month. And please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.